everyone, so you guys might be wondering why come to Supamodz Tech. Well, there's one reason. It's quite simple. I've been fixing electronics for 20 years. That's right, I've been fixing electronics for 20 years. So I have a lot of experience in fixing electronic devices. My facility is well equipped with microscopes, oscilloscopes, power supply, soldering stations, all the equipment you need to get your device fixed, from broken USB ports to fixing a CPU on the motherboard. So we have a full facility full of equipment here that's dedicated to fixing your device. Number two, we are quite affordable when it comes to repairs. We're not that expensive. You should give us a call definitely before you jump the gun and think that you're going to spend a lot of money. We don't try to charge customers a lot of money. We have a slogan that we stick by: affordable computer repairs. So we try to keep the price very simple. We also specialize in data recovery. We specialize in Mac repair. We specialize in PC repair, operating systems, software issues, networking, security issues. We name it, we do it all. So you guys need to give us a call. Call us at 718-280-5340. My name is Steve. We are very equipped. We'd be glad to help you. We specialize in all kind of electronic repairs. Don't be scared, from phone screens to tablet screens to computer screens to water damage, spilling coffee on your device, or whatever the case may be. We can handle it for you. Please give us a call. See you guys soon. Thank you for watching.